Hey guys, what is a coloristic problem? It's the creation of a formula for a coloring recipe. In any math problem, there is a problem statement. That is, you have the given, the solution, and the answer, which should match the answer at the end of the textbook. If it says 5 there, then your answer should also be 5. Not 4.9, not 5.1, but exactly 5. It's the same with coloristic problems. If you have a specific color in mind, that's exactly what you should get. Not something close, not something similar, but exactly the one you intended. So, we have the base, the given, and the final color, which is the answer at the end of the textbook. The solution is the creation of the coloring recipe plus the sequence of steps. The solution can be a single step or several steps. The simpler the solution, the more accurately and clearly you'll achieve the color, the less you'll damage the hair, the faster you'll complete the work, and as a result, you'll be able to earn more money. When solving the problem, you take into account these main changes. First, the level of depth of tone of the base and the final result. And second, the change in color direction. Both of these factors are important when choosing the dye and developer, and they determine the stages of your coloring process. For example, if previously dark-colored hair needs to be lightened, then most likely the preliminary first step will be a color remover or bleaching. And only after that comes coloring or toning. But in addition to the first 2 points, you also need to consider the following: the presence and percentage of gray hair, porosity, hair thickness, and the hair's history with all the procedures it has undergone over the current hair length. These factors determine whether you should increase or decrease the percentage of developer in your formula, pre- and post-care procedures, and the choice of dye. Don't forget that dyes from different brands, as well as from different countries, have their own characteristics and differences. Dyes from one brand should not be mixed with dyes from another brand. And using a developer that doesn't match the dye means risking the quality of the hair and getting an unpredictable color result.